Welcome back to McFall Farms. Today we are headed out with a team of me and three other guys from the Anchor Church of God to O War Cay, Bahamas to help with hurricane relief efforts. So this is just part of, if you followed us for any length of time, you've seen we focus on faith, family, and farm life. This will be part of our faith series. We believe that we should be helping others in all we do. So as we go forward, follow us along on this journey. And if you haven't already subscribed, do me a favor, hit subscribe, like and share, and come with us as we head to the Bahamas. Let's go. All right, we're here at Missionary Flights International in Fort Pierce, Florida, getting ready to fly out to Abaco, Bahamas, and then take a trawler over to O War Cay. There's four of us. That's the van and trailer combo in the background there. Mr. Cody Callahan loading up to go park. So this is the first leg of this journey. This is Jim. He just informed me that our plane that we're taking is this one right here. So I think the four of us will fit. (1943 and 44 DC-3 turboprop). This is what we'll be flying on, cargo and persons. This is the Anchor team. 3 plus me. Mr. Cody Callahan, Mr. Keith, I don't know your last name, Mr. Donnie Mitchell. Cargo plane to the Bahamas. Cargo bound.
All right, everybody, listen up.
Just landed in Abaco, Bahamas. See behind me even some of the hangars. We're at the airport here. Pretty much completely wiped out. Checking in through immigration, and then we'll see how we go from there. We just got through customs in Abaco, waiting on a truck that's going to take us to a boat to take us to O War. I've never been to Abaco, Nassau about 25 years ago. It's been a long time. No, I did not. Right now.
practicing this. These only started selling cars in the last week. I was waiting in line 3 hours to get some gas.
3 hours.
3 hours. And 5:20 here. Let's see another hardware store. You see how it smashed up the front of it? Well, you can't see that much there, but this one looks pretty good. Standard hardware you're going to see when we pass out. They just put this pump here about 10 days ago to serve gas. See the Bank of Nova Scotia on the end right here. Look on the other side of the building as we pass. See the guy in there? Smash
Really
it.
agree.
But all of these are business places. This, all of these are business places. Well, except that one. That's a good picture.
Here at the docks, getting ready to take the boat in the background there. Over to Man of War. Still a lot of need. A lot needs to be done. A lot needs to be helped with. We're here in Abaco, headed to Man of War Cay to actually get some work done. So continue to support the efforts here in the Bahamas. This machine brings fresh drinking water, up to 20,000 gallons a day, out of the seawater. Removes the salinity through 9 different membranes and filters. They store the fresh drinking water in these bladders, 2 of these, up to 20,000 gallons a day. This is part of water mission, giving free water, free fresh drinking water to anybody who needs it here in Abaco, Bahamas. Again, we're almost 3 months into after the storm, Hurricane Dorian 2019, and these guys are here making sure people have fresh drinking water straight from the ocean. Pretty amazing. All right, we just got into Man of War Cay, so we are here. See behind me, a lot of storage area. And we are walking to where we're staying. Devastation, pretty bad. And this is where we're staying. We were in Man of War Cay for about 8 days, doing a variety of projects and cleanup due to Hurricane Dorian. We came in about 2.5 months after Dorian. So there'll be other videos behind this. I'll have them on a playlist that I'll leave a card to above. And I just ask you to, if you haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. Feel free to share this video with friends and family, maybe people who don't understand exactly what type of impact this hurricane had on the Bahamas, both on multiple islands. And so I just wanted to produce this to share that. We try to keep our videos relatively short so they're easy to view, and you can go and view multiple ones of those in a playlist that I'll leave a link to. We greatly appreciate you watching. Thanks again for following Mid Fall Farms. Until next time.